The future of mountain biking is about to change forever. As we look ahead to 2026, the world of electric mountain bikes is gearing up for some mind-blowing innovations. We're talking smarter designs, tougher builds, and more powerful rides built to dominate every trail. From cutting-edge battery systems to groundbreaking performance upgrades, the next wave of e-MTBs is ready to push boundaries like never before. So get ready, here are the top 5 electric mountain bikes for 2026 that will blow your mind. Transition Regulator CX Mountain Bike. The Transition Regulator CX is designed for riders who want the perfect blend of raw power and playful handling on any terrain. Its carbon frame with 150mm rear and 160mm front travel works seamlessly with the Bosch Performance Line CX Gen 5 motor, delivering an impressive 85 Nm of torque that feels powerful yet natural on climbs and descents. Hidden inside the down tube is a 600 Wh Bosch Power Tube battery, and with the option to add a 250 Wh extender, you can push the range to 850 Wh for full-day adventures without worrying about power. Priced at $7,299, this e-MTB weighs just over 47 pounds, offering one of the best power-to-weight ratios in its class, making it both lightweight and incredibly capable. The mixed wheel setup, 29-inch in the front and 27.5 in the rear, ensures stability on rough ground while keeping the ride agile and responsive. Benefits like smoother control from TRP or Shimano brakes, the comfort of a one-up dropper post, and Bosch Flow app customization make it a complete package. With reliability, efficiency, and versatility at its core, the Regulator is built to give riders more freedom, more fun, and more confidence on every ride. Canyon Strive On. The Canyon Strive On CFR is a race-bred e-MTB built to dominate enduro trails with a perfect blend of agility, stability, and raw power. At its heart is the Bosch Performance Line CX motor, delivering up to 85 Nm of torque and 340% support, paired with a massive 750 Wh Power Tube battery for all-day endurance. For hardcore riders, higher-end builds even feature the Bosch CX Race Edition, with 400% assistance and lighter weight, making it one of the most competitive setups in its class. At $5,599, it's one of the best value carbon-framed enduro e-MTBs, offering 170mm up front and 160mm in the rear, with Fox 38 rhythm forks and a Float X2 shock for controlled, confidence-inspiring performance. The mixed wheel setup balances agility and traction, while Shimano XT brakes and drivetrain ensure reliable power and precision on technical descents. Designed with input from pro racers, the Strive On CFR carbon frame weighs just 2.45 kilograms, combining stiffness where needed with engineered compliance for traction and comfort. Benefits include durable skid plates for protection, clever frame storage, fast charging, and Bosch Flow app connectivity for security and ride customization. Whether racing or shredding trails, the Strive On is built to keep you riding harder, longer, and faster. Pivot Shuttle SL. The Pivot Shuttle SL redefines what a lightweight e-mountain bike can be, built for riders who crave agility and natural pedaling without sacrificing power. Its full carbon hollow core frame, paired with 132mm of DW Link rear suspension and a 150mm Fox factory fork, delivers precision, comfort, and efficiency on flowy trails and mid-level technical terrain. At its heart, the Fazua Ride 60 motor produces 60 Nm of torque, combined with a sleekly integrated 430 Wh battery that provides smooth assistance while maintaining a natural ride feel with zero drag when pedaling unassisted. Priced at $11,949, the Shuttle SL is a premium choice for those who want top-tier performance and featherweight handling. The mixed build includes Shimano XTR brakes for absolute stopping power, Reynolds carbon wheels with Industry 9 Hydra hubs for strength and responsiveness, and Maxxis Dissector tires for confident grip. Benefits include playful handling, customizable geometry via the flip chip, and a setup designed to give you the freedom to ride longer, faster, and with more fun on every adventure. Specialized Turbo Levo SL. The Specialized Turbo Levo SL is built for riders who want the agility of a traditional trail bike with the benefits of smooth electric assistance. Its 1.2 SL custom RX trail-tuned motor delivers 50 Nm of torque and up to 320 watts of peak power, offering natural support without overwhelming your pedaling. A 320 watt-hour integrated battery provides solid range, while an optional 160 watt-hours extender boosts capacity by 50%, letting you enjoy longer adventures. At $10,500, this e-MTB is a premium option designed for performance and versatility. The M5 alloy frame pairs with Fox float suspension, 150mm rear and 150 to 160mm front, for confident control on rocky climbs and steep descents. SRAM GX Eagle's 12-speed drivetrain ensures smooth shifting, while SRAM Maven Bronze 4-piston brakes give reliable stopping power. The mixed-wheel design adds agility up front with stability at the rear, perfect for varied terrain. Benefits like adjustable geometry, SWAT integrated tools, and the Mission Control app for battery optimization make it not only powerful but also highly rider-focused, ensuring every ride feels efficient, fun, and worry-free. Amflow PL Carbon 2026. The Amflow PL Carbon is a groundbreaking e-MTB that combines ultra-lightweight design with incredible power, making it a dream machine for riders who want both agility and strength on the trails. At its core is the DJI Avinox M1 drive unit, delivering a massive 105 Nm of torque with smooth, quiet operation thanks to advanced planetary gearing and precision sensors. Paired with an 800 watt-hour integrated battery, it ensures long-lasting range and endurance, while an intelligent health management system keeps the battery reliable over hundreds of charge cycles. Priced at $7,499, this bike is crafted with a carbon fiber frame that weighs only 2.27 kilograms, bringing the total build to just 19.2 kilograms, remarkably light for a full-power e-MTB. Riders benefit from 5 assistance modes, including Auto Mode for adaptive support and Boost Mode that unleashes up to 120 Nm for steep climbs. Suspension is handled box 36 forks and a float rear shock, providing 160mm front and 150mm rear travel for smooth control. Benefits include precise Magura MT5 braking, SRAM Eagle drivetrain options, a responsive 4-bar linkage for pedaling efficiency, and a 2-inch OLED control display with smartphone connectivity. The Amflow PL Carbon isn't just powerful, it's smart, playful, and built to redefine what an e-MTB can do. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric mountain bikes for 2026. All of these 2025 models prove that the future of trail riding is already here. Powerful, durable, and packed with next-gen features. Which one would you take on your next adventure? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more epic tech and gear reviews, and stay tuned because the best rides are yet to come.